Welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to share a fantastic way to create free Reddit videos using just the CapCut online video editor, and the best part, you can earn money doing it. I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, from crafting viral scripts and generating free voiceovers, to creating eye-catching captions and ensuring your videos go viral instantly. Let's dive right in. First, let's break down what Reddit videos are all about. Essentially, these are stories shared by users on the Reddit app that get circulated across social media platforms. In these videos, you often see gameplay footage in the background like Minecraft, Subway Surfers, and GTA 5, with Minecraft being the most popular. People share these Reddit videos on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, making them a hot trend. I did some digging into various Reddit niches and found that creepypasta stories attract a ton of views. So I'll show you how to create similar high-quality Reddit videos for free using CapCut. Let's get started. Alright, Reddit videos have 6 main parts: a comment frame, a story from a Reddit community, gameplay footage, a voiceover, captions, and some cool dreamcore music in the background. Let's jump right into how you can customize it to fit your content and make your content pop. Follow along with me step by step, and at the end of the video, you will see the example I created and how you can monetize these videos. Let's start by debunking a myth about Reddit stories. You might assume that all those popular Reddit stories come directly from Reddit itself, right? Well, think again. After some in-depth research, I discovered that many of those so-called Reddit creepypasta stories are actually sourced from a website named creepypasta.com, not directly from Reddit. This site is loaded with creepy stories and mysterious occurrences, and some of these stories can have durations of over 15 minutes. What we're going to do is search through the recent top-rated stories on this site. Once you've found a top-rated story, we're going to spice it up for our video. How? By transforming the story into a first-person perspective using ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story from a first-person viewpoint, making it appear as if it's a personal experience. This approach makes the story much more interesting and enjoyable for viewers. Once you finish tweaking the script, you'll then look for gameplay backgrounds. You can do this by searching on YouTube for no copyright background gameplay footage. Next, move on to the CapCut online video editor, add the blank template and the Minecraft gameplay footage, then create a text box where you'll place the title of the story from creepypasta.com. So, copy it from the story and use it for the Reddit post frame. I keep the text in the default font because I think it fits well with the Reddit post. To make a voiceover, start by creating a text box, then copy a short part of the story from ChatGPT. This step is needed because the text-to-speech tool can only work with a set amount of text at one time. Paste in the text, and after you've done that for the first section of the story, use the text-to-speech option on the left of the screen to make a voiceover. I've tested all the voices for you and found that the male scientist voice is the best match for Reddit stories. Repeat this for every part of your text. Now let's move on to exporting your video and ensuring that all your settings are correctly adjusted. I set the resolution to 1080p, the quality settings to high quality, and the frame rate to 60 FPS. Rename the video as you wish, and then hit export. Next, we'll be adding captions to the video. While you can use the online desktop version of CapCut to auto-generate captions, I've noticed that it doesn't offer a wide variety of templates, so I recommend using the CapCut app for this step. Once you've opened the CapCut app, add your exported video. After that, click on text followed by auto captions. You'll notice that there are several templates available, including free ones, which allow you to create captions in various styles. I personally prefer this particular style, which displays the captions word by word on the screen. Click Start, and the captions will be generated automatically. Your next task with the captions is to position them at the center of your screen. I prefer to enlarge the text slightly for better visibility. Once you've made these adjustments, export the video again, ensuring the frame rate is set to 60 and the code rate is on high. And there you have it, your video now has captions. Next, let's talk about the music. Most Reddit stories use a specific type of music called dreamcore. I found some tracks on TikTok that fit this style, and I've listed them in the description. A popular choice is Undertale OST. Fallen down, but it's often slowed down with added reverb. You can download this song using any YouTube to MP3 converter online. Once you have the MP3, go back to the CapCut online video editor and upload both the video and the MP3. For the right background music volume, make sure the music is between 15 and 20 dB. This level is just right for background music. I've looked at a lot of Reddit videos, and many look very similar, so we're going to make ours stand out by adding images. Click on Photos on the left side to access a variety of images. Since you've already added the captions, it's now easier to match images to the text. For example, for the word reading, use a picture of someone on their phone. Do this for each line or specific word, and you're done with this step. Once you export the video, it's ready to upload. Here's a quick look at the video I made. Alien abductions are real and they are worse than you think. Most of you reading this account won't believe my story. Hell, I wouldn't believe it if I hadn't lived through the horror. I didn't use the Dreamcore music because of copyright issues, so I added a different track instead. This is the end of my video. Follow for part 2. You'll notice that I mentioned making a part 2 and asking viewers to follow me. This is a great way to quickly gain followers because people are curious about part 2. With the long stories on creepypasta.com, it's easy to do this. You can split these stories into 3 parts easily, giving you content for 3 days. Next, we're going to upload this video to TikTok. Here's how you do it. Pick a recommended song and make sure its volume is set to 1% so you can't hear it. This helps your video get more attention. Also, title your video as part 1 and in the description, tell viewers to follow you for part 2. Don't forget to add 3 related hashtags. This approach not only keeps your content interesting, but also builds excitement for your next video. Your audience will stay engaged, looking forward to more. With so many stories available on creepypasta.com, you'll never be short of material. So go ahead, start creating, and good luck with your videos. People are making a lot with TikTok's new creativity program. Finally, remember to interact with your audience. Reply to comments and ask for feedback. This will make your followers feel valued and more likely to stick around. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and comment if you want more videos like this and have any questions. Good luck.